Hey guys, and welcome to part 2 of my Buzz Lightyear makeup transformation of my Toy Story series with creepy twists. Today, we're turning into the second part to this Buzz Lightyear makeup, where we're gonna have Buzz Lightyear running out of air. What if his helmet shattered or it came off too soon and he was gasping for air and turning blue? His helmet comes off and he can't breathe. We're gonna have him turning blue, losing oxygen, grasping for air. His face is gonna have a lot of expression, so let's get started with that. If you guys haven't seen the first part of this video of my Buzz Lightyear makeup, please click the first link down in the description box below. So stay tuned for that, and now it's time to start because we're gonna have his face changing differently. First of all, we're gonna get our makeup remover wipe and remove just the top part of our lip and paint it in with some brown aqua paint and some black aqua paint. Almost like his mouth is giving so much expression, like a gaping mouth with his bottom teeth still in his face. And we're gonna get that makeup remover wipe on the bottom and top part of our eyeballs that we painted on before. Now on those areas that I took away makeup, I'm going to apply some more. I'm getting my Tarte Shape Tape concealer or any full coverage concealer that you love, and I'm going to color it in on the top part of those eyelids and the bottom part as well, so it makes it look like he's squinting while he's gasping for air. I know that sounds very graphic. Again guys, this is our cartoon, and I'm going to set it with some powder. Now we're gonna get our contour colors with the powders and the tiny brush to outline the eyelids while they're squinting. The reason why I'm using the contour powders instead of like a liquid liner or a thick black line is because it gives a lot of expression, but it doesn't make it too harsh with his eyes squinting, if that makes any sense. It gives shadow, but without like dark lines through his eye. And after you've outlined his eye with some shadow, we are going to get a blue cream paint, or what I'm using here is a blue alcohol paint with a orange stipple sponge. These orange stipple sponges are great. They give great texture of rashes, illusions of bruises, and this is almost gonna look like a bruise, but we're just coloring the skin a blue hue on areas that is getting darker from like blood loss, on areas of patchiness on his skin where he's losing oxygen. So I know this is a little graphic. Again guys, it's a cartoon. It's a toy, it's not real. It's just makeup. Making sure the shadow on his top eyelid I felt needed to be a little bit darker. And with that, we are completely done with our Buzz Lightyear twisted makeup transformation from the Disney series Toy Story. If his helmet busted, if he was losing oxygen from not having his helmet on. I know this is a little scary and creepy, but it's just a toy. I hope you guys enjoyed this imaginative video as much as I did. But now it's time to turn back into ourselves. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to see more to this Toy Story series. I can't wait to film more for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting again. Leave a comment down below on what other things you would love to see. If you guys haven't seen the first part of this video of my Buzz Lightyear makeup, please click the first link down in the description box below. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram. I am literally everywhere probably, on all social media. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Bye.